seafood is one of those foods that are actually good for your health, lowers the risk of cardiovascular disease, and has healthy omega-3 fatty acids.
Meet Dr. William Li, a world-renowned Harvard-trained medical doctor, researcher, and the president and founder of the Angiogenesis Foundation. His groundbreaking work has led to over 40 FDA-approved therapeutics and devices for treating cancer, cardiovascular disease, wound healing, and vision loss. Dr. Li is also a New York Times best-selling author of Eat to Beat Disease, a book that explores the new science of how your body can heal itself through food. Today, we're going to dive into Dr. Li's insights on 3 specific meats that aren't just delicious. They're powerful agents in the fight against cancer and other diseases. Before we get started, a quick disclaimer. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially when it comes to managing or preventing serious diseases like cancer. In this video, Dr. William Li reveals 3 types of meat that are not only potent cancer-fighting agents, but also help combat other diseases. These meats offer a delicious way to enhance your diet and naturally fight cancer. Let's explore these meats and the compelling evidence supporting their health benefits, bringing optimism and well-being to your plate. 1. Chicken thighs.
If I have chicken, I'll actually have the dark meat, because the dark meat, which is usually from thigh, will normally contain more vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 is a bioactive mostly in free-range chickens that are actually allowed to eat normal things that chickens are supposed to eat. The vitamin K accumulates in their legs, and you can actually get that into your body that way. It starves cancer. It's really good for your circulation.
When most people think of healthy chicken options, they usually reach for the breast, which is lower in fat. However, Dr. Li points out the surprising health advantages of dark meat, particularly chicken thighs. These cuts are rich in vitamin K2, a bioactive compound predominantly found in free-range chickens that are allowed to eat a natural diet. Vitamin K2 is a fat-soluble vitamin produced by bacteria and has strong anti-angiogenic properties, which can help prevent cancers from growing new blood vessels. Research from Hiroshima University in Japan has shown that vitamin K2 actively inhibits angiogenesis and the proliferation of colon cancer cells. Similarly, studies from the University of Illinois have found that vitamin K2 can also stop the growth of prostate cancer cells. Beyond its cancer-fighting properties, vitamin K2 offers significant heart health benefits. Consuming foods high in K2 has been linked to a substantial reduction in the risk of death from heart disease and severe artery hardening due to plaque buildup. The anti-angiogenic properties of vitamin K2 contribute to maintaining clear arteries, as angiogenesis is necessary for plaque formation. Additionally, vitamin K2 can help reduce cholesterol levels and prevent artery hardening, further protecting the heart. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, consider picking up some chicken thighs. Not only are they tasty and nutrient-rich, but they also provide substantial health advantages, including supporting heart health and aiding in the fight against cancer. 2. Air-cured hams. Dr. William Li highlights the potential health benefits of 2 superb air-cured hams: Spanish jamón ibérico de bellota and Italian prosciutto di Parma. While processed meats are typically associated with health risks, these specific hams have special nutritional benefits that warrant consideration, especially when it comes to illness and cancer prevention. These hams are produced from unique breeds of pigs that are fed and reared in traditional ways, setting them apart from the majority of factory-farmed pigs. For instance, Parma pigs are fed whey from Parmigiano Reggiano cheese during their early growth phases, giving their meat a unique nutty flavor. As they age, they consume omega-3 polyunsaturated fatty acids, PUFAs, from chestnuts, enriching the meat with beneficial fats, similar to those found in seafood. Similarly, free-range Spanish Iberico pigs, known for their black feet, are later fed acorns high in oleic acid and omega-3 PUFAs. Oleic acid, also present in olive oil, is believed to improve heart health by raising HDL, good cholesterol, and lowering LDL, bad cholesterol. However, Dr. Li advises caution. Despite their advantages, prosciutto and jamón are high in sodium and saturated fat, Prosciutto, in particular, has a higher ratio of omega-6 PUFAs, which can be pro-inflammatory. High sodium content is also a concern, as excessive salt intake is associated with hypertension and a higher risk of stomach cancer. Therefore, it's crucial to consume these hams in moderation, savoring their unique flavors and health benefits while being mindful of their limitations. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel to help us grow. 3. Fish.
One of the things that you can do that's a little, if you want to get omega-3s and you want something really tasty and you want to make it super convenient and not very expensive, people might laugh at this, but I will go and buy a tin of fish, like tin fish in the middle aisles. But actually, in Europe, they have these beautiful thin tins of fish that have piquillo peppers and olive oil and garlic and lemon and herbs. It's a great way to, it's a couple of bucks for a tin. You pop it open. It's already cooked, steamed, flavored.
Fish is another food that Dr. Lee emphasizes for its remarkable health benefits, particularly in the fight against cancer and other diseases.
I, as a scientist and a doctor, tell people, including my patients, that omega-3s are important to know about and important to consume, is because we know they help cardiovascular health. They're associated with a lower risk of heart disease. They improve your circulation, which is important. Whether you're a young person who's physically active, you need more blood flow to your muscles on one hand, but on the other hand, there are people that are older that need better blood flow to their brain and other organs as well. But when we think about good cognition, we want to be able to actually be vital and functional for as long as we're able to with our lifespan. Omega-3s play a role there as well.
Fish is rich in essential oils, vitamins, and high-quality proteins, making it a crucial part of nutrient-dense diets like the Mediterranean and Blue Zone diets, which are associated with longer lifespans. A key component of these benefits is the presence of omega-3 fatty acids, also known as PUFAs, essential dietary fats that have been shown to provide numerous health benefits, including increased longevity. Research highlights the role that omega-3 PUFAs play in enhancing longevity and overall health. For instance, a 16-year study by the Harvard School of Public Health and the University of Washington, involving nearly 2,700 seniors, found that individuals with high blood levels of omega-3 PUFAs lived an average of 2.2 years longer than those with lower levels. Additionally, high blood levels of omega-3s were linked to a 27% lower risk of overall death and a 35% lower risk of death from heart disease.